Restore engine performance with the Piston Kit, OEM 309000001-0 from ICE Marine. Designed for Tohatsu and Nissan 2.5 horsepower and 3.5 horsepower two-stroke outboards, this standard size piston kit features a 47mm bore and is built to OEM specifications for proper compression, smooth piston movement, and reliable power output. It cross-references multiple OEM numbers, including 309000001-1 and Mercury 9154A01, making it a flexible replacement option, compatible with models like M2.5A, M3.5A, NS2.5A, and Parson 3.6 horsepower. The kit includes one piston, wrist pin, and retaining clips for complete installation. Perfect for engine rebuilds or worn piston replacement. Trust ICE Marine for precision, durability, and dependable marine performance. Visit iceboatparts.com. Email seller@icemarine.cc. WhatsApp +886966468632.